Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shakur, and in this video we are going to solve a problem that's kind of like a truss structure. Let's dive in and work it out together. Let's read the question together. Problem 1.11. The rigid bar EFG is supported by the truss system shown. Knowing that the member CG is a solid circular rod of 0.75-inch diameter, determine the normal stress in CG. CG, that's it. According to the general formula, we know stress in CG is equal load CG divided by area of CG. And also we know that the area is equal P d squared divided by 4, and d is equal 0.75, which means A equal P multiplied by 0.75 square divided by 4, and it's approximately equal 0.44179 square inch. Now just we should find FCG, and here we use the free body diagram and the equation to find it. We're using portion EFGCB as free body diagram, and equation sigma Fy equal 0 to find one of the force. That means minus 3,600 first draw the force here. We have here force F DE, and here FAE, and also here FAB, and we know that if that is 4 and that's 3, AE is equal 5 plus 4 is equal 5. For Fy we have just FAE and multiplied by 3 divided by 5. It's positive, plus 3 divided by 5. It means this part of FAE, y, or FYAE. 3 divided by 5 multiplied FAE equal 0, and here we have AE equal 3600 multiplied 5 divided by 3, and it's equal 6,000 pounds. Now we use beam EFG as free body diagram and use this equation sigma m about F positive. We have two force here, F CG and F A E, also F D E. It's about point F. It's equal 0. That means minus 4 multiplied 3 divided by 5 FAE, that's equal FYAE. And plus 4 multiplied 3 divided by 5 FCG equals 0. That means FYCG. And here we have FAE equal FCG. That means FCG is equal 6,000 pounds too. Now we have FCG here and ACG here, and know the general formula: stress CG equal FCG divided by ACG. We write it here: stress CG equal FCG divided by ACG. It means 6,000 pounds divided by 0.44179 square inch. It's equal 13580 psi, and it means it's equal 13.58 kc. That's it.